Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you the best and most updated Amazon deals that I've found. These deals are updated constantly, so make sure to check back often. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Christmas Tree Topper Star Christmas Tree Topper Gold. Star Christmas Tree Topper is made of environmentally and premium ABS material. With built-in LED projector, it can project HD Santa Claus, Jingle Bells, Elk, Christmas tree, and 2 different shapes of snowflakes. With universal size, 8.3 by 9.5 by 2.6 inches for all kinds of different trees. Original price, $16.99, now discounted 70% to $5.09. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 2. LORYERGO Monitor Stand. This computer stand riser measures 14.6 by 9.5 by 4 inches, perfect for a laptop, monitor, small printer, or computer. Free up space on your desktop by storing a keyboard or supplies underneath the platform. This monitor stand organizes your desk and make a convenient entertainment workstation for you and your family. Original price, $19.99. Now discounted 54% to $9.0. Number 3. Plantar Fasciitis Relief Insoles for Flat Feet. The full care insole was manufactured with the whole core functional parts, which are high elastic EVA, TPU corrector, cushioning MTPU, Poron, EVA, Ortholite, high elastic EVA, and TPU corrector. Original price, $22.99, now discounted 50% to $11.49. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 4. Luxfuel 24-ounce DIY Steady Tumbler for iced coffee. We are committed to providing each customer with the highest standard of satisfaction. If for any reason you are not satisfied with the vending tumbler, please feel free to contact us, and we will gladly assist you. The Luxfuel plastic water bottle is made of high-quality food-grade PS material without any BPA. Original price, $40.99, now discounted 59% to $16.4. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 5. Extra large firm slicker brush for dogs, long pin dog grooming brush for Goldendoodle Poodle loose hair. Neat.OIYEIIHM extra large firm wooden pet slicker brush is recommended by more than 1 million pro pet groomers. The dog grooming brush features ultra durable wooden handle, ensuring it will last for years of use. Ergonomic handle with a comfort grip and anti-slip surface prevents hand and wrist strain. Original price, $39.99, now discounted 45% to $21.95. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 6. Portable Movie Projector. This mini outdoor projector is equipped with USB/HDMI/AV/audio/out 5V/wired/wireless connect port. It is compatible with smartphone, TV box, TV stick, Chromecast, PC, laptop, tablet, external speaker, PlayStation, DVD player, card reader, U-disc, media player. Original price, $199.99, now discounted 69% to $60.0. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 7. Wolksprong Men's Ratchet Belt. The 1 3/8 men's genuine leather ratchet belt distinguishes itself from other belts, made in full grain leather, single layer leather, 4 millimeters thick. Easy to customize the belt size, just need to remove the belt buckle and cut the strap at needed size. Original price, $36.95, now discounted 55% to $16.62. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 8. KOLILI Women's Duck Boots Waterproof, Cold Weather Winter Snow Boots. KOLILI's Women's Duck Boots have you covered for all-weather comfort. Micro fleece lining and cushioned insole for cozy warmth and extra comfort. Rubber sole with lugs and wave design ensures traction on both wet and dry surfaces. This design also features a slight heel that improves stability. Original price, $69.99, now discounted 40% to $41.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 9. S521-1 Gray Hammer Drill. The Scans 20V Hammer Drill provides a 4.0A battery and fast charging, which supports overload and overheating protection to ensure a longer service life. The ergonomic rubber grip provides comfort and maximum thrust power during any operation. The cordless hammer drill for concrete weighs only 5.5 pounds with a battery. Original price, $149.99, now discounted 23% to $114.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 10. GoldyiTS Linen Tablecloth Soft Tablecloth. This rectangle tablecloth is perfect for everyday use, party, holidays, catering, cafes, special occasions, dinners, brunches, potlucks, BBQs, buffets, baby showers, indoor and outdoor use, weddings, and more. The impressively durable fabric promises to be a long-lasting and stylish complement to your home. Original price, $14.91, now discounted 50% to $7.45. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 11. GAOKASE Kitchen Dish Drying Rack with Drainboard. 2-tier dish drying rack comes with detailed instructions and installation. Parts of the dish rack are removable. You can install them according to what you need. The top layer can store 15 plates and pots. The bottom tier can store 20 bowls. The side cutlery rack can store various cutleries. The other side can store cutting boards and 3 removable hooks. Original price, $28.99, now discounted 40% to $17.39. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 12. WM Welly Merck Smartwatch for Women, Call Receive / Dial. Smartwatch for Android iOS phones compatible that use iOS 9.0 / Android 7 or above, and Bluetooth 4.0 or above. It contains many daily useful tools, such as music control, camera control, find phone, sedentary reminders, alarm clock, stopwatch, weather. Original price, $42.99, now discounted 48% to $21.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. That's all for today. Notice that most of the coupon code of the deals can be expired very soon, so be sure to subscribe to catch up-to-date offers. If you're looking for something specific, just let me know in the comments below and we'll keep an eye out for it. See you next time.